of Article 2 to 5 over the persistent material breaches that have been seen in Nairobi City County. But before we get to that conclusion, Article 47 or 48 thereabouts on fair administrative action will require that the governor of Nairobi must be compelled to appear before this House. I think that's Article 47 on fair administrative action. We therefore must compel the governor of Nairobi to appear before this committee, so that certain conclusions we can only make once we have given him a fair hearing. So, members, I want to propose that summons be issued to compel the governor of Nairobi to appear before this committee within 14 days, of course subject to the calendar. But the reason for 14 days is we expect that when those summons are issued, the governor of Nairobi is going to collaborate with the Office of the Auditor General in terms of preparation of their management responses. So we are issuing summons to compel Governor Sakaja to appear before this committee and to respond to the Auditor General's report on the theft of 76 billion. Because an adverse opinion simply means that. It means that the Auditor General cannot confirm that that money was put